This spring, the Max Bell School launched a series of AI policy workshops to help our community build practical skills and think critically about how these tools fit into the work of policy practitioners. We asked a few of our MPPs to share what they took away.
In this case, we were really investigating how AI can be used to make us better generalists. So to take an area of policy that we're not already really familiar with and then familiarize ourselves with it very, very quickly.
I think the biggest takeaway that I got from a policymaking perspective is how AI can actually be a useful partner for the work that I will do in my career.
The skills that I took away from it have allowed me to create a skill for content analysis that I'm now using in my policy lab work to analyze interviews. So I had 26 interviews that I had a very, very limited amount of time to get through, and the AI has allowed me to go through them in more detail than I would have otherwise been able to had I been doing it manually. And not just do it, but do it multiple times as I iterate through the process of getting the workflow down in such a way that the AI is overcoming issues like context. I've come up with a product that is better than anything that I could have produced in the time that I had, and is indeed exactly what we needed to support our policy lab project.
It's easy to fall in the camps of either this is the best thing ever and be fully pro, or I don't want to use it at all and kind of scared of AI. And I think they did a great job treading the line and showing us how to be skeptical and critical consumers, but also integrate AI into editing processes, into our research processes in a transparent way, in a way that actually helped us achieve bigger depth and actually more critical thinking.